step off here to connect to Route 19 North Melbourne trams, the 57 West Larriman off and 59 Airport West trams at Flinders Street Station. The City Circle Tram is a free service. For all other Yarra Tram services, you need a valid ticket. Melbourne is progressively moving to a new smart card ticketing system called Mikey. In the meantime, you can buy a Met card on board the trams from the coin-only ticket machine, from the Met shop at Melbourne Town Hall, or retail outlets throughout the city. For more information about Mikey, visit the Met shop. This stop is Elizabeth Street. Yarra Trams is now collecting for the Royal Children's Hospital field. There's a collection tin behind the driver's door, and any coins would be appreciated. Melbourne's multi-award-winning social history museum. Housed in one of Melbourne's most beautiful heritage buildings, Old Customs House, the exhibitions offer moving insights into Victorian and Australian cultural heritage. Open daily between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Change here for the Route 55 West Coburg tram to the Melbourne Zoo. This stop is Market Street. Passengers and cargo from the schooner Enterprise landed at this point in August 1835 to found the settlement of Melbourne. Come face to face with sharks, giant stingrays, turtles and thousands of fish in the 2.2 million litre oceanarium. Don't miss the daily feeds and diver presentations. A short walk across the bridge, you'll find the Crown Entertainment Complex, featuring cinema, shopping and international restaurants, as well as a full range of entertainment options. This stop is and the 112 Troy Street, St Kilda via Clarendon Street. Take a Route 96 tram to Melbourne's iconic Luna Park for a galaxy of exciting rides. From the jaw-dropping Pharaoh's Curse and historic scenic railway to the all-new Coney Island shock drops, Luna Park has something for everyone. Luna Park is open every weekend, as well as all public and school holidays. This stop is Spencer Street. The tram will now proceed to Docklands. The City Circle service is a free service from Yarra Trams. For all other tram services, please purchase a Metcard from either the onboard coin-only ticket machine or at one of the many conveniently located retail outlets, identified by the blue Metcard flag out the front. Yarra Trams hopes you're enjoying your ride on the City Circle Tram. Whilst exploring Melbourne, don't forget to hold on or take a seat for your comfort and safety.
It was like 7 months ago.
Christmas present instead. She might have had any money.
Remember when we did the lucky bit from Christmas and we had made
Maybe once we go further.
we got flowers.